Hi everyone, we are One Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow, which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits from our organisation go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Welcome to the wonderful world of Google Docs, where your document creation experience is about to get a whole lot easier and more enjoyable. We all know how important a good document is. Whether you're drafting a professional report, writing a heartfelt letter, or simply jotting down your thoughts, the quality of your document can make a big difference. Whether it's a recipe for your favorite dish, a detailed design plan for your next big project, or just a quick note to remind yourself of something important, having a reliable and efficient way to write it down is absolutely key. That's where Google Docs comes in. This powerful tool is designed to make your document creation process as smooth and seamless as possible. It's like having a digital notepad that's always ready when you are, no matter where you are. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, Google Docs is there for you. Now, some folks might stick to what they know, like pen and paper, and that's all right. There's something undeniably charming about the traditional way of writing. But with Google Docs, you get so much more. Imagine having all the benefits of pen and paper, but with the added convenience of digital technology. Think of it like this. Remember those old photo albums? They were great for storing memories, but they were also bulky and hard to share. You had to lug them around and hope they didn't get damaged. Google Docs is like having all your photos online, easy to find and show off. You can access your documents from anywhere, share them with anyone, and collaborate in real time. The best part? It's free and easy to use. No hidden costs, no complicated setup, just a straightforward, user-friendly interface that anyone can master. No more fussing with complicated software. Google Docs takes the hassle out of document creation so you can focus on what really matters, your content. Google Docs is here to make your life simpler. With its intuitive design and powerful features, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. So, are you ready to jump in and see what it's all about? Let's get started. With Google Docs, the possibilities are endless. Let's explore them together. You might be thinking, why Google Docs when I have other programs? It's a fair question, especially with so many options out there. Well, let me tell you, Google Docs is like that trusty pickup truck, reliable, versatile, and always gets the job done. It's not just about writing, it's about creating, sharing, and collaborating seamlessly. First off, it's in the cloud. That means you can access your documents from anywhere, anytime. No more being tied to that one computer. Whether you're at a coffee shop, in a park, or even on vacation, your work is always within reach. Second, it's all about collaboration. Imagine working on a project with someone, but you're miles apart. With Google Docs, you can both work on the same document at the same time. See their changes as they happen. Talk about teamwork. It's like having a virtual office where everyone can contribute in real time. With Google Docs, you can both work on the same document at the same time. See their changes as they happen. Talk about teamwork. This feature is a game changer for group projects, business reports, and even family event planning. And don't even get me started on version history. Remember those times you wished you could go back to an older version of the document? Google Docs has got you covered. You can easily track changes, revert to previous versions, and see who made what edits. It's like having a safety net for your work. Google Docs remembers. It's like having a time machine for your work. No more worrying about losing important changes or accidentally deleting crucial information. You can always go back and restore what you need. Plus, it's free. That's right, all these amazing features without spending a dime. Now, isn't that something? In a world where software can be expensive, Google Docs offers a robust, cost-effective solution for everyone. So, why not give it a try and see how it can simplify your life and boost your productivity? Like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials. We've got everything from beginner basics to advanced strategies. All right, ready to get your hands dirty? Opening Google Docs is as easy as pie. Just head over to docs.google.com, and you're in. It's like opening the door to a brand new workshop full of possibilities. See that big new button? That's your starting line. Click it, and you'll be greeted with a blank document ready for your ideas. It's like having a fresh canvas just waiting for your masterpiece. Before you get lost in the excitement, Give your document a name, something descriptive, something that'll help you find it later. Think of it like labeling your tools. Keeps everything organized. There you have it, your first Google Docs document is ready. Let's move on to some fun stuff, shall we? Now, starting from scratch can be fun, but sometimes you need a little head start. That's where templates come in. They're like pre-built houses, just waiting for your personal touch. Google Docs offers a whole library of templates, from resumes to newsletters, meeting notes to project proposals. It's like having a whole design team at your fingertips. Just pick the template that fits your needs and you're halfway there. Using a template saves you time and effort, plus it gives your document a professional look right off the bat. It's like using a tried and true recipe. You know it's going to turn out great. So before you start typing away, take a peek at the template gallery. You might be surprised by what you find. Formatting fun, making your document shine. A well-formatted document is like a well-decorated room. It just feels good to look at. And with Google Docs, making your document shine is a piece of cake. You've got all the tools you need right there in the toolbar. Change fonts, adjust sizes, highlight important points. It's like having a whole art supply kit ready to bring your words to life. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different font combinations, play with colors and spacing. Find what works for you and your document. After all, it's all about expressing yourself. Remember, a little formatting goes a long way, so go on, add a splash of color, change up those fonts, and make your document your own. Collaboration central, working together seamlessly. One of the best things about Google Docs is how easy it makes collaboration. It's like having a team brainstorming session, even when you're miles apart. Want to leave a note for your teammate? Use the comment feature. Just highlight the text, click Insert, and choose Comment. It's like leaving a sticky note right on the page. Need to suggest a change without altering the original text? Easy peasy. Use the suggesting mode. Any changes you make will appear as suggestions, and your teammates can accept or reject them. With Google Docs, working together has never been smoother. So gather your team, share your document, and let the collaboration begin. Add-ons, your secret weapon for enhanced productivity. Want to supercharge your Google Docs experience? Add-ons are here to save the day. They're like little helpers, ready to tackle any task you throw at them. Need to create a bibliography? There's an add-on for that. Want to insert diagrams and flowcharts? Add-on to the rescue. From grammar checkers to project management tools, the possibilities are endless. To explore the wonderful world of add-ons, click on Add-ons in the menu bar and choose Get Add-ons. It's like browsing the aisles of a digital tool shop, and the best part, many of them are free. So go ahead, browse the add-on marketplace and discover a whole new level of productivity. You won't regret it. Voice typing, free your hands, unleash your words. Tired of typing? Let your voice do the work. Imagine the freedom of speaking your thoughts and seeing them appear instantly on the screen. Google Docs voice typing feature is a game changer. It transforms the way you work, making writing more efficient and less stressful. It's like having a personal assistant ready to transcribe your every word. No more worrying about typos or missed ideas. Just click on Tools in the menu bar, choose Voice Typing and start speaking. It's that simple and intuitive. Your words will magically appear on the screen. It's almost like watching your thoughts come to life in real time. It's perfect for those times when you have a lot to say, but your fingers need a break. Whether you're drafting an email, writing a report, or brainstorming ideas, voice typing can handle it all. Voice typing is surprisingly accurate and even understands punctuation commands. Say period or comma, and it knows exactly what to do. It's like having a conversation with your document. You speak, it listens, and your ideas flow seamlessly onto the page. And the best part? It's completely free to use. No hidden costs, no subscriptions, just pure convenience at your fingertips. So ditch the keyboard and embrace the power of your voice. Experience the joy of hands-free writing and let your creativity soar. You'll be amazed at how much faster and easier writing can be. With voice typing, you can focus on your ideas and let the technology handle the rest. Explore and research knowledge at your fingertips. Need to do some research while you're working on your document? No need to open a million tabs. Google Docs Explore feature has got you covered. Just click on Explore in the bottom right corner and a handy research pane will appear. It's like having a personal research assistant ready to find the information you need. Search for articles, images, and even related documents within your Google Drive. You can also cite your sources directly from the Explore pane, making bibliography creation a breeze. With Explore, all the information you need is just a click away. So, stay focused, stay organized, and let Google Docs be your research companion. Mastering Google Docs, your journey to document proficiency. Well, folks, there you have it. We've covered a lot of ground, from creating your first document to exploring the world of add-ons. Remember, Google Docs is like a trusty toolbox, full of tools to make your life easier. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and find what works best for you. The more you use Google Docs, the more you'll discover its hidden gems and unlock its full potential. So, go on, create something amazing. Whether it's a simple note, a collaborative project, or a professional report, Google Docs has everything you need to bring your ideas to life. Happy writing, y'all! Like what you see? Hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials. We've got everything from beginner basics to advanced strategies. Share the knowledge, help us spread the word by sharing this video with your friends and family. Want to learn more? Visit our website, link in the description, for in-depth articles and expert advice. We're here to help you level up your digital skills. Got feedback? Leave a comment below and let us know what you think. We're always looking for new ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time and stay safe.